This lesson is an introduction to supply. There are two parties in a market, the buyers and the sellers. When we talk about the buyers or consumers, we are referring to demand. But when we talk about the producer or seller, we are concerned about supply. So, what is supply? Supply is the amount of a product that sellers or producers are willing and able to offer for sale at a given price over a period of time. Supply schedule. A supply schedule is a table showing the relationship between the price and quantity supplied of a product. From the table, there is a direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. The higher the price, the higher the quantity supplied. The lower the price, the lower the quantity supplied. The producer will supply more at higher prices because of the profit motive, as there is increased opportunity to make higher profit. This is the normal relationship between price and quantity supplied. It is the law of supply. For example, when the price rises from 10 pounds to 11 pounds, the quantity supplied of pineapples increases from 5,000 to 6,000. As the price rises from 11 pounds to 12 pounds, the quantity supplied increases from 6,000 to 7,000. What is a supply curve? It is a curve or graph that shows the relationship between price and quantity supplied. It slopes upwards from left to right because of the direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. This is a normal supply curve. What is the difference between individual supply and market supply? The supply of one producer or firm is called individual supply. The total supply of all the producers of a product is market supply. In the table below, it is assumed there are only two suppliers of the product, A and B. When we consider the quantity supplied by A at different prices, we are talking about individual supply. For instance, at $13, A's quantity supplied is 4,500. At $15, his supply is 6,000. And at $17, the quantity supplied is 8,000. We can also consider the individual supply of B. At $13, B's quantity supplied is 1,500. At $15, it is 2,200. Now let's calculate the market supply for mangoes. The market supply at each price is the sum of the supply of all the suppliers of the product. In this case, A and B, at $13, the market supply is 6,000. That is 4,500 plus 1,500. At $15, market supply is 8,200. That is 6,000 plus 2,200. At $17, market supply is 8,000 plus 3,000. This is 11,000.